Hey travelers! In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best travel adapters to keep your devices charged no matter where you go. Whether you're jet-setting across Europe, backpacking through Asia, or taking a business trip to the US, one thing you absolutely need is a reliable travel adapter. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ceptics Travel Plug Adapter 3-Pack. If you're heading to a country that uses Type-C plugs, this 3-pack of adapters from Ceptics is a great choice. Each one comes with a 2-in-1 input that allows you to plug a 2- or 3-prong North American outlet into each adapter. It's great for packing along to charge multiple items on a trip, or great for sharing on family and friend trips. It's compatible in most European countries, including Armenia, Austria, Azerbaijan, the Azores, the Balearic Islands, Belarus, and Belgium, but it will not work in Ireland, the UK, London, or Scotland. Associate Editorial Director Morgan Ashley Parker has used this set of adapters for the past 8 years to charge her phone, power bank, headphones, AirFly, iPad, and travel vacuum. She loves the price, the small size, and the fact that it includes 3 adapters in case you need to charge or use things at the same time in different parts of the room. I'm personally not into the brick that serves many countries since it's so bulky, so this is my personal preferred style, she says. Love that the set includes 3, so if something happens to one, or you leave it behind or have to share, you have backups already. I usually travel with just 2 in case and leave one back at home. At number 4, we've got the Usinfly European Travel Plug Adapter, compatible in most European countries such as Norway, Italy, Spain, Iceland, Romania, Sweden, Serbia, Bosnia, and more. This simple USB adapter from Usnfly is great for devices where you don't want to take the AC outlet portion of the device. It comes with 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports, giving you 4 USB ports to charge your phone, laptop, tablets, and other devices. The adapter has a built-in safety protection system that recognizes the phone model you plug in, which protects your device from overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting. The Type-C socket will stop charging devices when they're fully charged as well. Parker bought this specific adapter on a trip to Portugal and says it's easy to use because you don't need to bring something like the iPhone charging block and can instead just bring the cords you need. For something that can charge 4 devices, it's still very compact and fits in a purse, so it's well worth it versus buying individual adapters for each product. Coming in at number 3 is the Tessan Denmark Power Adapter Plug. For European travel with USB-A devices, the Tessan Travel Plug Adapter is great for personal use, as it comes with 2 USB-A ports and 1 Type-C socket, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices at once. It works in most European countries, including Spain, Iceland, Germany, Turkey, Austria, Greece, Croatia, and more, but it will not work in the UK, Ireland, or Scotland. The 2 USB-A ports can charge at a speed of up to 2.4 ampères max per port and work well for cell phones, tablets, cameras, etc. And at 3 ounces, the adapter fits into the palm of your hand and is easy to tuck away into a carry-on or purse. Senior editor Jasmine Grant has used this adapter during a 2-week trip to London, Germany, and Milan, and on another trip to Croatia. She loves that she can charge multiple devices at one time, with all devices charging equally as fast. I never at any point noticed a lag in charging time or any overheating, she says. The material doesn't feel flimsy or cheap and has held up even after being shoved into many different personal items and suitcases. At number 2, we have the Ceptics World Travel Adapter Kit. With 2 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and an attached USB-C cable, the Ceptics World Travel Adapter Kit is great for charging multiple devices at once. It also comes with 6 adapters that work in Europe Type-C, UK Type-G, the US Type-B, Australia and China Type-1, Germany and France Type-EF, and Japan Type-A. Plus, it comes with a handy travel pouch as well. Palumba also tested this adapter on her trip to the Azores, using it again to charge the same devices mentioned above. She likes that the adapter is strong and sturdy while remaining lightweight, but found it inconvenient to have to constantly check an included pamphlet to see which attachment worked where. The pamphlet can easily fit into the suede pouch that accompanies the adapter so that you can travel with it. But I wish there was an easier, more streamlined way for users to know which attachments worked where, she says. As far as the multiple plug attachments go, Palomba didn't like that they weren't automatically built into the device. Some of the attachments are bulkier than others, so it's not as compact as other adapters on the market, which is problematic for those traveling on the lighter side, she says. However, you could bring only the attachments you need, assuming you wouldn't need all 6 for a trip. That said, the adapter does have great charging capacity and is highly durable, with Palomba noting these factors among the best she tested. Plus, she especially appreciated its built-in USB-C cable. Finally, at number 1, we have the Epicka Universal Travel Adapter, ready to use in more than 150 countries. This adapter from Epicka can charge 6 devices at the same time, as it comes with 4 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and 1 AC socket. It works with all USB-enabled devices, including iPhones and Androids, and can charge laptops, cameras, tablets, and power banks too. It eliminates the need to purchase individual adapters for each trip, which makes it a great money-saving travel product. The adapter also has a built-in double 8A fuse and safety shutters that keep children from trying to plug other items into the socket. The adapter comes in 4 different colors and has a 1-year limited warranty. Updates writer Asia London Palomba tested the adapter in the Azores Islands on a week-long trip. She used it to charge her iPhone, AirPods, portable chargers, Amazon Fire tablet, and the accessories for her DJI mini drone. She loved that it was small and easy to pack, plus it's simple to switch over to different prongs from country to country. The adapter is extremely lightweight yet durable, which is perfect for traveling light or with only carry-on luggage, which is how I traveled, she says. She also notes that she wears a size 5 US 35 EUR shoe and was able to store the adapter and its case easily in a shoe in her suitcase. So there you have it, the top 5 best travel adapters to make your next trip a breeze. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and gear reviews. Until next time, happy travels.